pick a parcel. This is what we call a good morning. Imagine receiving PR packages as soon as you wake up. We'll do the unboxing of this later on. For now, I'm going to take a shower. I was about to apply a face pack, but then it slipped from my hand. I'm gonna clean this up. As I broke the face pack, now I'll have to make a DIY face pack. I'm using besan, curd and a little bit of turmeric to make this. Face pack is dry now. This whole time when it was drying up, I was editing and posting a reel. Let's go and wash it off. It's already like 12:30 p.m. and I haven't had my breakfast. I'm gonna go and get myself a brown bread. I'm like on my way. Yeah, like I'm planning to make sandwiches for breakfast. Brown bread.
Struggled with for someone that has tried to grapple forever. If I like it, I try to find a way of, so everyone walks around.
Hi. If you are a regular on my channel, you must be shocked. How is she posting like 3 videos in a week when she haven't been posting from like almost 3 months? And suddenly so active on YouTube again? Let me be honest with you. I was highly distracted. Not even busy with my studies, I was just distracted. I was not even studying properly. I was just roaming around and wasting time. And you know, when I was doing all this, I always had this in the back of my head that I'm wasting time. I knew that I'm so privileged to have like 7,000 to 8,000 subscribers on YouTube. When I was a kid, it was like a huge dream for me to even have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I've always wanted to be a YouTuber. And now that I am one, I have so many subscribers and you people love my videos, you wait for my videos. What the hell was I doing? Not posting? I knew I have to get out of this, but I was unable to because I was enjoying that, you know, going to cafes, having fun. I was enjoying all that, meeting friends, meeting people. But deep down, I was, you know, slowly dwelling into that regret of not posting. until I came to that point where I couldn't tolerate it anymore, where I was like, I can't with this regret anymore, I have to post. Then I got up and I decided I'm going to be active again, because like during that time I felt really bad. I almost hated myself as being such an ungrateful piece of. Honestly, I'm more than grateful for all of you guys, and I am back again, and I'm gonna be consistent now, and a lot of big things are coming, so stay tuned. For now, I'm just gonna read. I'm going to clean my closet now, which is going to take a lot of time because it is a total mess. I'm so excited to unbox these. It's from Shein, by the way. It's literally 7 p.m. right now. It took me longer than expected to clean my closet. Another sandwich. This is different. This is made up of potato.